Hi, first grade. Happy 20th day of school. It's hard to believe we have been in school for 20 days already. I'm going to show you how to make 20 with base 10 blocks. The number 20 starts with a 2, ends with 0. This column is the tens column. There are 2 tens and 0 ones in the number 20. So I need 2 tens. A long is 10. There are 10 little cubes in a long. So I need 2 of them. 10, 20. There are 0 ones, so I don't need any of these cubes. Let's count and make sure we have 20. 10, 20. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and drag over 2 longs into the tens column to show 20.